First day of class, just got out of math, and I seen this cutie walk by fast. She looked my way, and the instant took my breath away. I don't know what to say. Wish I could just get her name, but then she got away. Now I think I'm going insane. I got a crush, and it ain't going away. I got a crush, and I think it's gon' stay. Baby, I'm crushing you, and it ain't going away. Baby, I'm crushing you, and I think it's gon' stay. Day 2, I'm looking for you, simply searching for a clue to find you and tell you the truth, that I'm crushing on you. And I'm going here and there, I'm asking everywhere. Damn it, have you seen her? Cause I'm trying to get to meet her. And all my boys just try to figure out who is this girl that I'm fussing.